Huh? What do you have to say? Huh? You don't know? You gotta talk into the camera, see? Yes, you can. What? What are you saying? Huh? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. Okay, you gotta say, I love you, Daddy. Why not? You have to say it for him. Say, I love you, Daddy. Do you miss him? Do you miss him? Are you done talking? Do you have anything else to say? Huh? Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? Are you getting ready to start fussing? 'Cause he got hiccups? You got really long legs, huh? Do you have really long legs? Do you not know about this being in the camera? Can you smile for the camera? Did you toot for the camera? What does that mean? Do you want to grab the camera? Huh? Do you want to grab the camera? Here, you can hold it. You can hold it for a minute. If you can get your hands to reach it. Do you want to hold it for a minute? Huh? What do you think? Huh? Are you trying to wiggle those arms? Hmm? Are you trying to wiggle those arms? Okay, we're all done, alright? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say I'm just now getting my arms over to the camera to try to hold it? Can you say, oh, yeah? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.